Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you fix Windows cannot connect to the printer. Operation failed with error 0x00000139f. Let's go start. Now go to the computer where the printer is installed. Press the Windows key and type in the registry, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Then click on Navigate to HKEY_local_machine. Then click on Software. Scroll down and click on Policies. Then click Microsoft. Then click on Windows NT. Printers option. If you don't find it here, then follow me. Right-click on Windows NT and select New the Select key. Then type your printers. Under Printer Options, create the PointAndPrint. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Type PointAndPrint. Select PointAndPrint and go to right side. Right-click on the blank and select New and select DWORD 32-bit value under Menu Option. Then type here Restrict Driver Installation to Administrators. Double-click on it and select Modify and set it to 0. Then click on OK. Close. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under your current profile private, turn on Network Discovery and Files and Printer Sharing. Under All Networks, try turning off Password Protected Sharing, then click Save Change. Close the window. Press the Windows key and type in the registry, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Click on HP Local Machine. System. Current control setting. Control. Scroll down. Then click on Print. Then click on Print and go to the right site. Just search for RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled. And if you don't find it here, then type it here. Type for RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled. Right-click on it and go to Modify and set the value 0, then click OK. Close. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Then click Programs and Features. Click on Turn on Windows Features on or off. Find the Print and Document Services on the list. Enable the LPD Print Service and the LPR Port Monitor under Print and Document. Turn on SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. Please waiting. Restart now, but don't restart after work complete. Press the Windows key, search for services, and click the top result to open the console. We are select standard, scroll down, Locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the context menu. And go Server. Right-click Server and select Restart from the context menu. Now restart your computer. Again, go Client Computer. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Then click Programs and Features. Click on Turn on Windows Features on or off. Find the SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. Turn on SMB Client and Server under SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. Click OK. Press the Windows key and type in the Windows Security, and click on Windows Security into the search bar. From the left menu, select Firewall and Network Protection. Double-click on it. Must be turn off the Microsoft Defender firewall. Press the Windows key, search for services, and click the top result to open the console. Locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the context menu. Again, restart server from the list. Restart your computer. Open any browser software and search for your model printer driver. Choose your operating system-wise printer driver select. Download the printer driver. Now install your printer on the client computer. Again, restart your computer. Press Windows plus or open the Run command. Then type the // host PC IP address or name. Select your printer and connect. Go to Control Panel and check the printer installed. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.